Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Visual Studio Code to its default settings on a Windows or Mac. So, let's get started. First, open your Visual Studio Code editor. Once it's open, click on the Manage icon located in the bottom left corner of the window. Then, select Settings from the menu that appears. When the Settings page opens, you'll see two types of settings: User Settings and Workspace Settings. If you want to reset your user settings, click on the User tab. Next, look for the Document icon at the top right of the Settings pane. Clicking on this icon will open your settings in the form of a JSON file. Inside this JSON file, you'll see various settings listed between curly brackets. To reset your user settings, simply delete everything inside these curly brackets, leaving the brackets themselves intact. Once you've done that, save the file. This action will reset your user settings to their default values. Now, if you prefer to reset the settings without opening Visual Studio Code, you can do that too. Close Visual Studio Code if it's open. On your Windows desktop, right-click on the Start menu and select Run. In the Run dialog box, type in the following command, %appdata %/code/user. Click OK to run the command, which will open the AppData directory containing your Visual Studio Code settings. Locate the settings file, right-click on it, and choose Show More Options. Then, select Open With and choose an editor like Notepad if you don't have Visual Studio Code installed. Once the settings file opens, you may see some content inside. If you do, delete everything and save the file. This action will reset your Visual Studio Code settings from outside the application. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.